Hey guys, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to do an unboxing. So let's do an unboxing with me under 3 minutes. Well, I'm gonna try. So that's an Amazon. Okay. What's in the box? What's in the bag? What's in here? So, moment of silence. I got me a hairspray bottle. Really cute. Let's see what's inside. How it looks. So it was needed, guys. Like I need one that's misty. It's pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. Yeah. Can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use this for my hair and maybe possibly these types of videos. Yeah. And then I got me some jam because, girl, I don't know. I haven't used this in a while, but I wanted to use it because I'm thinking about doing some braids in my hair, like or I might even do like false locks, and I want it to be like slicked down, and